everybody, how are you today? This is Lorraine. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a straight pour on this canvas. I don't really like this. Not something that I would hang on my walls. It was kind of cool when it happened, but I don't care for it too much now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my canvas with this, all I can call it is unicorn poo. It's some scraped up paint from a previous pour. It's a little bit muddy, but I think it will work perfectly fine for the background here. It's got kind of an orange brown color to it, and I figure I may as well use up what I have. So rather than just scraping it up and throwing it away, we'll use it for the background on this. If all goes well, then we won't even see it. Okay, let's cover our corners a little bit. There, that's all good. Got a bare spot down here. We'll fix that real quick. Okay, so the colors that I am using today are turquoise. I have a phthalo blue. This is a quinacridone. No, this is a quinacridone magenta. This is a violet. I have some copper, and I have my white. And let's move this out of the way and load up our cup. Okay, I'm going to put just a tiny bit of white in here. This is an 11 by 14 inch canvas, so we should need 6 or 7 ounces of paint. Put in some magenta. I don't have a lot of this magenta left. Time to mix some of that up. Put in some violet. I'll go in with my copper next. Some of the turquoise. Some of this phthalo blue. Go in with a little bit of white. Try and layer that on top. Do a small layer of these colors again. Copper. And then my turquoise. And some of the phthalo blue. And then again, that's way more paint than what I need. So, put that aside and we'll get going. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this in the middle of the canvas. Look at that cup. That's cool. Oh my goodness. Just going to do a straight pour here. Oh, shaky hand. I'm going to hold it steady. There's a lot of that phthalo blue in there. End it with some white. Oh, and I dripped. Didn't really want to drip. Let's see if I can add a little bit of the white there to fix that. That's a little better. A little better center there. Okay. Give this a bit of a torch. Release some of those air bubbles. Oh my goodness. Look at this in here. So pretty. Okay. Let's see what we can do with it. Bring it back and forth a little bit first. Oh man, I love the way that copper's coming up through. It's very, very pretty. Just gonna move this very slowly. Kind of want to keep some of those nice cells that are happening. I keep the lines with the turquoise and blue. Starting to go over here. Try and bring it down towards that corner a little bit. I'm going to bring it right down off that corner quickly. Bring it right back. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it to the other corner on the upper side. Quick, and bring it back. Okay. Yeah, keep an eye on where the weight of your paint is all the time. So, bring it down over that corner quickly. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So pretty. Change the position of my hands so that I can cover this last corner. Just going to do this slowly. I don't want to lose those copper cells that are right there. These are so pretty. They're all outlined with the turquoise. Don't want to lose a bit of them. So, bring it back. Okay. Get that in your view a little bit better. Okay, I need to cover this corner here a little bit better. So, let's see. Let's see if I can get a little bit out of here. I'm afraid it's going to be all white that comes out of there. But I love this right here, so I don't want to lose any of it. So we'll just get this covered. Like that. I'm going to add a little bit of my phthalo blue. Just like that, so it kind of brings it over the corner. Stretch it down this way because you can see there's still quite a bit of paint on there. And I kind of want to focus on all of this here. So we can possibly get rid of some of the violet on this corner and stretch the rest of it out. Like that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, I don't want to move anything else. Maybe a little bit towards that corner. I really don't want to, but see, ooh, a little slippery. Gotta be careful. Trying to be ever so careful, and I drop it. I'm gonna bring that back down a little bit. Gosh, I don't want to lose anything else. I don't want to leave too much paint on there either. It's not moving too much. Just giving it a little bit of a look. Don't really like how that opened up right there. So maybe I can bring that down a little bit. Okay. Just gonna let that run down off the side a little bit here. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty, guys. That copper is just amazing. Bring it back a little. And you can still see there's a bit of paint left on there. And I have to take my chances with this one and see how it dries, because I don't want to get rid of anything else. It is just really pretty. Okay, let me bring the camera down and I'll get you close up here. First, let's give it a quick torch. See what happens when we torch it. I think some stuff might open up in that white. Yeah, see, a little more paint coming through. Don't want too many white spots, so I'm just gonna take it easy. And I'll get the camera down, give you a close-up. Okay, guys, take a look at this. I think it's gorgeous. I want to say thank you to everyone for watching. Coming to visit with me. Appreciate that. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell, that way you're notified when I upload more videos. If there's anything you'd like to see me do, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of this color combination, because I just think it's awesome. It just is gorgeous. Look at that. So cool. The way these copper cells are outlined by that turquoise. It's amazing. Again, thanks for coming and visiting with me, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.